geometry class. Students, on this Thursday the 22nd, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to work hard in class today and learn some math, okay? Always be ready to work hard in class. Very, very important. Here are the announcements for today. Number one, we'll have a quiz on Friday, okay? Quiz on Friday. Number two, you have nothing to turn in. Nothing to turn in. Incompletes. Let's pull those up real quick here. While I'm pulling those up, don't forget, if you miss a day of class, it is your job to watch the videos, okay? Please don't forget to do that. And students, listen to me. If you come into class and we're taking a test or a quiz or having a notes check or whatever, you will take that test, quiz, or notes check, okay? If you're in the room, you do it. So please stay on top of your videos. Jaden, this was given last Thursday. You have until tomorrow to turn it in, okay? Due by tomorrow, or it'll become a permanent zero. So keep that in mind. Okay, moving on. Tomorrow's quiz. We're gonna go over tomorrow's quiz in a couple minutes. We're gonna take notes today, and we're gonna have homework today. Okay. Moving on. The video today is about 17 minutes long. In this video, we will be looking at the interior and exterior angles of convex polygons. The homework for today is page 421, 8 through 25. 421, 8 through 25. The instructional video for today is called Lesson 8.2. Now, Miss Chambers, I forgot to write down when to start that. Let me look at my lesson plan book. I have all of this written down. Let's see. Today's Thursday. Okay, start this video, Miss Chambers, at 4:25. Okay? So start the video at 4:25. Okay? Continuing on, the homework help video obviously is called Lesson 8.2, homework. Okay? Alright, let's continue on. Now, let's talk about your tests. If you'll think about the past, 99% of the time, I give you your tests on Friday, and that gives me the weekend to grade them. Whenever I give a test or a quiz in the middle of a week, it usually takes me 2 days at the most, sometimes 1 day to get them back to you. So, best case scenario, you would have got your test back today. Worst case scenario, you'll get them back tomorrow. So, your tests are not graded. I will pass them back tomorrow graded, and we'll go over them tomorrow. Now, number two, Miss Chambers, Libby, Grace, I am not mad or upset at anyone, but from now on in the future, I don't want tests being finished the next day. You're going to have to finish them that day. Now, I looked at those two tests. I looked at Libby's, and Libby, I think you were just missing some fill in the blank, so that's not really needing more time so much as knowing the terms and definitions and all that, the theorems and stuff like that. Now, I could be wrong, and I'm not going off on anyone. I'm just saying, let's finish those on the day, even if you have to stay a couple minutes after, which I'm not a fan of that. I want to be very respectful to your 7th hour teacher. However, unless I misunderstood Miss Chambers' email, I believe Libby and Grace need to finish their test today, so please do that, guys. And Grace, I know you pretty well. If you know you're going to leave the classroom, well, I was saying I know you pretty well, so I can be a little more blunt with you, but if you know you're going to be leaving the classroom due to an appointment, then don't start the test. I know I'm really big on, if you're in the room, you take the quiz, you take the test, but if you're leaving before the class period's over, then you're not really there. I mean, unless you're sure that you can finish it before you leave. Now, maybe you didn't know you were leaving. If that's the case, then I understand, but just keep all of that in mind, guys, okay? So that's about our test. Now, next, here's what will be on your quiz tomorrow. Please listen to me carefully, students. Here's what will be on your quiz. The only thing we've covered is what we're going to cover today in class, okay? And that's it. So, this should be a pretty easy quiz. I'm just telling you right now. I mean, I don't see it being a difficult quiz, so here's a chance for you to really do well on a quiz tomorrow. But the homework today that we do in class, or that you take home and finish is due tomorrow. Any of the problems on your homework are fair game tomorrow. That's it. There's There's no fill in the blanks. There's no theorems, postulates, corollaries, definitions. Just any problem on this homework assignment. Those types of problems are fair game for your quiz tomorrow. It's that easy, okay? Now, don't panic. I will walk you through this, but I want to do a notes check for a double homework grade. So, Ms. Chambers, go ahead and pause the video. Spread everyone out if they're not spread out already. I prefer 2 at each table in the chemistry room, 1 at each end. So go ahead and do that. And as soon as you're ready, guys, what you want is a blank sheet of paper and your notes, so you can open your notes and use them. So pause the video, everyone get all set up, and then restart the video when everybody's ready. Okay, students, here we go. Now, I tell you every day to put the date down on your notes, and I tell you to put the heading down. So we're going back to last Friday. We never had a notes check on last Friday's notes. So last Friday, if you look in your notes, the date was January 16th, so you're looking for 1/16/15, okay? I'm using the mouse here to write, so it's going to be a little sloppy. And the lesson number was 8.1. So look for this date or this lesson number. The heading was classifying. I'm going to type that because my handwriting is so bad. The heading was classifying polygons. I think I might have gotten confused and used the word polynomials, which is embarrassing, but it just is what it is. So your heading is either classifying polygons or classifying polynomials. And by the way, go ahead and change that polynomials to polygons, okay? But anyways, that's the day we're going to look at. So look in your notes for January 16th or lesson 8.1 or one of these headings, and those are the notes we're going to use, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. Number 1, we classified these as 2 different types of polygons, in your notes, okay? So, tell me the name of this one. And it's not a pentagon. I'm not looking at the number of sides. There's 2 types of polygons, 2 overall types of polygons. And go ahead and put this one first. We're going to call this number 1 right here. And we're going to call this number 2 right here. So label it 1 and 2. And please, guys, number these the way I tell you to. When I go to grade these and they're not numbered and they're all messed up and turned around, I have to take points off. So put number 1. Tell me what type of polygon this is. Number 2. Tell me what type of polygon this is. It should be in your notes. These are the exact same figures that I gave you in your notes. Okay. Numbers 3, 4, and 5, and we're finished. I want word for word out of your notes the definition of each of these. So copy these out of your notes, please. And that's it. So Miss Chambers, when everyone or whoever the supervising teacher is today, whenever everyone is done with all of these, go ahead and turn them in. Hey guys, stop right now and put your name on your papers, please. Stop right now and put your name on your paper, okay? But anyways, when everyone's done, Miss Chambers, then go ahead and start with the video for today.